How to recharge a 3UK SIM card. Here's what you want to do. Load up the browser on your phone and Google search for 3UK SIM recharge. You can ignore the ads at the top and then you will click on this one that says top up a pay as you go device. Click on that option and here you can top up or you can buy a data pack or also add credit. So you will choose the option which you need. And also you will need to provide your phone number here at the top. Next, you will click on continue. And if we scroll down a little bit, you will see ways to top up. You can buy a data pack with a credit or debit card or using a voucher and you'll get a bundle of data that lasts for a month plus unlimited texts and minutes. And you can also add credit by card or voucher, only pay for what you use at standard rates when you add credit by card or voucher. So you will choose the option which you need, click on continue, and then you will go through the prompts, and that's how you recharge your 3UK SIM card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.